This is video number 3, talking about an introduction to Python programming language. And in this video, we're going to introduce a new concept inside the Python programming language, which is list. To understand this, we must define what the meaning of list. Imagine that you have different values, string and numbers, and you want to group them together. This is the meaning of list. Alright, we're going to start our list here. We're going to create a num list. Here we go. It's very simple. You just write the name of your list equal all of the values inside your list. And you need to use a special character we called square brackets. Now, inside this list, we assign a multiple values, but it's all in the same data types. Can we define a list with different data types? Of course you can. We can assign the string with numbers and with different data types. Here is the second list. If you want to work inside the list elements, you need to use the index. In our num lists, we have 6 different elements. So we're going to start with number 0 till number 5. These are the elements inside our list. If I want to ask or work with the first element, I just want to talk about num0, which presenting number 24. For example, if I want to work with the fourth element, so I'm going to write nums equal 4, and that will bring number 8. Now, if I want to get a group of elements inside my list, so simply you can use the colon. Can we work with negative numbers? Yes, of course. You can go through this list using negative values with the reverse order. If I'm going to write nums with -1, I will get the last element inside my list. Lists are amazing, so we can apply different operations inside our list. For example, let's use append, which gonna to add a value at the end of your list. Here we go. But if you want to insert a value inside your list in a certain place, so you need to use insert option. With the insert, you can gonna to add the index number and then the value. So if I gonna to say 2,77, that means I'm going to add the number 77 inside my list in place number 2. How about if you want to remove an element from your list, you can use the remove word. In remove, you can pass the element which you want to delete from your list. What if you want to use an index number? So it's very easy. You can use the pop order. You pass the index and you can remove the element from your list. If you want to delete multiple values in your list, you can use the word del. With del, you can pass a group of elements to remove from your list. But if you want to add multiple values inside your list, you can use extend. Like this one. We have different and so many features we can play with our lists, and we can try this during our practical sections. What about some mathematical and arithmetical operations? We have many functions built in related to lists as min, max, sum, or sort. So if you're gonna to work with lists, it's amazing. You learned how to add an element inside your list, how you work with removing elements, how you can use a certain method and functions. It's amazing when we start applying this during our practical sessions. Thank you.